dolls, welcome back. So today's video is a very exciting video, or well, at least it is for me, because today is kind of a big day. So as you know, I have been releasing a lot of pregnancy related videos. I recently announced my pregnancy and I have been doing all types of other pregnancy related content. And don't be confused, today is absolutely no different. It is yet again another pregnancy related video, but just a little different. Today's video is going to be a family Shein haul. So I have a Shein haul as well as a Walmart haul, although there's only one item included from Walmart. But we have a few things from Shein to go through. We have found out the gender of our baby. So you guys probably won't see this until I do the gender reveal video or some type of content for the gender reveal, because I definitely want to do that before you guys see this. Because once I do this, then you guys are going to know what it is. Just by how everything is, the colors and all of that. You guys will definitely know. So I won't be putting this video out until I do a gender reveal or a video related to the gender reveal or sitting down and telling you guys what I'm having. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet, but we actually have a photo shoot in plan to, you know, announce it so I can post it to social media, share with friends and family and stuff. So we are planning on doing a little photo shoot with the family, me, baby daddy, my daughter, my mom, his mom. Like it's going to be like a whole thing. And I really wanted to do it. But regardless, it's going to be a big thing. We're going to do a family photo shoot, all wearing a certain color to announce the gender of our baby so that I can post on social media, share with friends and family and things like that. But I will also include some type of video content to share here with you guys for the big gender reveal. So you guys will probably already see that and know the gender before we even get into that, because like I said, I'm gonna save this video until I get all of that done and get that video out, because I don't want to spoil any surprises. But for right now, we are going to dig into these bags so I can show you guys what we're all going to wear for our little family gender reveal photo shoot. But the items that I am showing in this haul is only for me, my boyfriend, and my daughter. My mom has her separate outfit and his mom has hers. So I won't be including those in this video. I will only be showing what I got for him, me, and my daughter. We're going to start with my daughter's things first, just because I think they're the cutest. So the first thing, this one is from Walmart. Everything else is from Shein, but this one is from Walmart, because I want to do a photo shoot of my daughter by herself. So it just says Big Sister. So I'm going to put this on her and have some pictures of just her with this shirt announcing that she's a big sister. I just thought it was really cute, and plus it's something that she can continue to wear because she's always going to be a big sister. So I thought it would be really cute, and maybe she'll wear it the day that we bring him home. Clearly, if you've seen the gender reveal, and you could tell by these clothes, he's a boy, so we're super excited about that. But she'll always be a big sister, so I thought this would be cute for not only the photo shoot, but for her to continue to wear. Now here was where it got a little tricky, because I can't believe I got on Shein and got only things for just this photo shoot, because there's a million things on there. I always want something. Every time I order something, I end up with 50 other things. But my main goal was photo shoot, photo shoot, photo shoot, gender reveal, gender reveal, gender reveal. That's what I kept telling myself, and that's all that I got. But however, my daughter did get two options, because I just couldn't decide. And who knows, I might do, you know, other separate pictures of her where both of these could come in handy. If not, it's still something definitely like really cute that she can wear any other time. So this is one dress. This is our one option. It's a little sheer up on the shoulders. It's got a little detailing of hearts, if you guys can see that. And it's just really flowy. It's a long, cute little like dressy dress. And I thought this was cute, so this was one of my picks. As well as this one. This was another pick, because I could not decide. And I think it's going to depend on, once we all get together, see how our outfits go, what looks best with what. So I think having two options was probably the best anyway, just so I could see how it all flows. But this one was the second option. I thought it was really cute, because instead of just being solid, because for the most part all of our other outfits are just going to be solid, like we're all going to be in some shade of blue, but just like solid. So I felt like this gave it a little, I don't know, a little something with its design. So on the straps here, we just got the bows, and then the dress has the same pattern as the bows got, and it's just like little blue flowers and stuff. I just thought it was cute. I just couldn't decide. So we'll see how it goes, but they both were way too adorable to like pass up. So I had to do it. And then this one here is for my boyfriend. This is what he's going to wear. But like I said, this is what he's going to wear. So we just got some blue shorts. It was one of the two-piece like men's set that's on Shein. If you guys know what I'm talking about. If not, I'll try to find a picture of what we got and I will include it in here just so you can like see it all together instead of just like seeing it piece by piece. But then, I'm not holding it right. But then just the blue shirt to match the shorts. And you can either button it like this or wear it open. I think once again, depending on how everything looks together, what everybody's wearing, we will decide on if it's buttoned or open at that point. But I just thought that it was a really cute set. And not only that, but all of these things is something that we could wear other than just for the photo shoot. And that way it comes in handy. It's better than spending money for just one project, wearing something once and never using it again. Like this is something he could pretty much vibe in all summer long. And they have them in so many different colors and it was so tempting not to get all of them, but I was on a hunt. I was on a hunt. So we've got his blue button-up shirt with the short set, and like I said, just so you guys can like see what it looks like because it looked really good. I will include a picture. I will put it up here if I can find the one that we got. It should still be in my order somewhere, so we'll see, but I will pop that up so you can see how it goes together. Or if not, like I said, the gender reveal video and pictures and everything should definitely be out. I want it to be out before you guys see this, so if you haven't seen that, then if I don't include the picture, you could definitely see it in those pictures from the gender reveal. And then lastly is my dress. And I know I'm going to have to include the picture of this dress in this video anyways, because me holding it up is not going to do it justice. You're not going to be able to see what it was actually supposed to look like. But I got this like baby blue off the shoulder, one like sheer sleeve, kind of like rippled ribbed dress. I thought it was so cute. On the model, when I saw it, I was like, that's definitely baby shower, not baby shower, definitely like gender reveal vibes. So you could be like, you know, cute and everything, but still like supporting. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. It was definitely like right up my alley, my style, my vibe, and I was like, you know what, we can definitely make this work. So like I said, me doing this is not really showing you guys anything, so I will throw up the picture of what it looked like on the site, or once again you guys can go watch the gender reveal video and photos and stuff like that. But that's definitely our plan. So what I'm planning in my head, because we have not done this shoot yet, like the clothes, we just got everything in not too long ago, so I still have to organize, you know, how to do shoot and all that stuff. But the plan is me and Bae are going to be in the light blue and everybody else is going to be in like this color, like darker blue. That's the plan. We're going to see how it works and how everything goes together, but just so that, you know, we can stand out as the parents and then everybody just, you know, still supporting blue and being a part of the family. It makes sense in my mind. I hope that I'm getting it across to you guys as well. Sorry that was the shortest haul I've ever done in my life, you guys, but like I said, when I was shopping, I had one mission in mind. I was there with intent. I was only supposed to do these things, get these things for this specific thing, and mission accomplished. I did that. It was hard. It was hard, very hard, but I did it. So that's why this is the shortest haul ever. I know it's not a lot to show, but I was very excited to show what we got to wear for our gender reveal and for our gender reveal photo shoot. So hope that you guys enjoyed watching, even though it was a very short and sweet and to the point. But regardless of the point, if you like hauls, if you like pregnancy videos, if you like getting excited for gender reveals, whatever it is, if you like this video, please make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me your comments down below until my next video. And if you haven't done it already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I film and upload randomly, and I don't want you to miss out on anything. And as always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.